Okay, now before we continue to, it's quite boring stuff, to explain who actually manage the domain names, where to buy, and then how to move, what is the the key that you really have to understand what you own, something like that. Okay, but before that, I just want to explain something that's really more interesting, and then you get the idea. It's just recently I had a lot of discussion trying to explain about blockchain technology, the crypto technology to my friends, for example. Well, because we in ViBi Buzz, we have a plan that we will do the webinar to explain about the blockchains, Web 3.0, the blockchain, the crypto model, something like that. Okay, but I found that it is not easy to, it's quite big knowledge there, and also require a good understanding about the internet technology first. That's why it is good that I do this domain name first. Okay, now here I will explain about, because if I'm trying to explain for example Bitcoin to my friends, most of them mix up between the businesses who are utilize crypto platform to do their business. The problem is because the name itself. That's why, okay, we will, as a study case, I will explain this. Okay, let's go to the next screen. Okay, ownership study case. Okay, the question between a domain name bitcoin.org versus bitcoin.com. The question is, do they have the same owner? Is it the same entity or not? The answer is no. Big no. Okay, this is where the problem lies at. If you see bitcoin.org and bitcoin.com use the same name, Bitcoin, so the unique domain name should be, you look as a whole, not only a part of a phrase. Okay, so you have to see as the whole. Bitcoin.org, it is not, the owner is not the same with bitcoin.com, unless, for example, before the owner of bitcoin.org, it means Satoshi Nakamoto, the founder of Bitcoin, he also purchased at that time bitcoin.com, but the reality, it is not. So lucky for the business doing this bitcoin.com, they can register their business as bitcoin.com. Therefore, there are a lot of people out there cannot differentiate this. They are thinking Bitcoin is whatever services provided by bitcoin.com. Okay, so bitcoin.org, actually this is the cryptocurrency platform. Okay, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system founded by Satoshi Nakamoto. At the moment, managed by some developers around the world, open source community, open source developer manage that platform. Okay. On the other side, Bitcoin.com is a business website owned by a company named Saint Bits LLS. LLS is like a company name in US that provides cryptocurrency services. You can buy crypto there. There are a lot. Okay, I will open very quick the website so you can see the different. Okay, we go to bitcoin.org here. We use cookies. Okay, this is the real Bitcoin website where founded by Satoshi before. Okay, you can go through. This is what is Bitcoin, blah 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 blah, and then you also can find, for example, the resources, documentation about this platform, or if you are a developer, you want to do the, for example, you want to contribute, and there are learning resources as well to more understand about what is Bitcoin, blah blah blah, and how to mining, how to get the Bitcoin from mining if you don't want to purchase it, something like that. And then here also another that where you want to download if you want to have your own wallet. Okay, now you can see the, for example, what I want to look at is what they are doing. Actually, they are doing a create software developed by open source community, and then every time they update the core, the application there, where the application you can open it on the, you see, this is 0.21 release, this is the new one, 2020 number versioning number. Okay, and then I just want to show you. Okay, just a quick, I just want to make sure that you understand what I meant. This is the software that everybody can see what happened in this software. Just take a look. You don't have to understand. I just want to make sure, for example, how actually you can read the function. It is on C. You see, that's the code inside. Okay, as if of course you don't understand it, but any programmer around the world can see it, can understand what happened, the function inside the software. Okay, now wait, who does this actually? If you see the wait, where I can get it, this is Bitcoin, and then I will okay, the contributors. Okay, there are around 860 developers around the world to help to contribute to fix time by time the whole software, so it always updated to the platform. Okay, so you can see who, for example, this is the name of each. Mostly they use aliasing name, not a real name. Aliasing name. This is this man, Marco Falk, help create some fix or whatever function a little bit 2130 fix or development there. Okay, and he is active from 2016 up to now until today 2022. Okay, so also the same like this man, he is active until 2022. And if you goes down, you will see not all actually active on. This is just new, started at 2019. And then for example this Morcos, he just already stopped. He just from this year up to, okay, that's a real Bitcoin platform. So if I'm talking about crypto platform, this is the platform, bitcoin.org. Okay, now if we open bitcoin.com, okay, now you see the domain name is bitcoin.com, and then who are they? Okay, we can go to about, just okay, what he is doing. You can also download the wallet there, similar like bitcoin.org. You can download the wallet because it's open source. It is the same platform anyway, but they are more like a businessman that doing stuff. So they create their own business model on top of bitcoin.org platform. Let's say something like that. Okay, a little bit confused, right? Yep. So if you want to know who are they, you can click here, company. I can click that. Okay, about, let's say just down there. Okay, this is the company, Saint Bits LLC. And then about, okay, this is the team, the company owner, Dennis Jarvis, the CEO, Corbin Fraser, blah blah blah, and then there's the team here. So there is nothing to do with like the developer Bitcoin org here. Okay, you get the idea. Bitcoin.org is open source community, open source platform. You can contribute, you can download it, you can use it for another purpose, or you can develop on top of that for your own business model. So bitcoin.org and bitcoin.com is a different owner. If you are talking about the domain name, it's a different ownership. Okay, so from here, I hope you already understand a little bit about in internet. It is not easy to explain how the business model running. That's why I'm explain this first, because in the next screen I will explain about who manage the domain name. That's a simple thing. Okay, after you buy it, who manage that domain names? Okay, we will go there.